Have you ever wondered about the mystical Book of Shadows? In the annals of magical traditions, it stands as a revered artifact, not just a book, but a personal grimoire for witches and Wiccan followers. More than a mere collection of spells and incantations, it's a journal that chronicles the spiritual journey of its owner. Imagine a font of wisdom passed down through generations, a sacred text breathing life and magic. The inception of the Book of Shadows? Well, that can be traced back to ancient times. From ancient times, the Book of Shadows has evolved significantly. Beginning as guarded grimoires filled with the wisdom of healers and wise folks, it has become a personal spiritual journal for modern witches and Wiccans. It's not just a spellbook. It's a touchstone for rituals, a canvas for personal reflections, and a chronicle charting magical mishaps and victories. It serves as a guide, aiding in the growth of the practitioner. The contents of a Book of Shadows are as varied as the individuals who keep them. In today's world, the Book of Shadows holds great significance. It is the thread that weaves continuity into the tapestry of magical practice. A personal legacy, it is a testament to the life's work of its owner, holding the potential to be passed to an apprentice or a descendant. The act of writing in this revered book is a ritual in itself, a meditative practice that injects energy and intent into its pages. The Book of Shadows becomes a magical object, a talisman that embodies the essence of its creator. Beyond its personal significance, the Book of Shadows stands as a cultural symbol. It represents the reclamation of suppressed wisdom and power, a tool for individuals to forge their own connection with the divine, or the vast forces of nature and the universe. This book embodies the assertion of agency, a declaration of independence from dogmatic constraints. In conclusion, the Book of Shadows is not just a tool, but a sacred companion on the magical journey, a reflection of the witch or Wiccan who compiles it, a mirror of their identity and beliefs.